What's up, yo? Okay, so we are up in the mountains, up on the edge. Here's a cliff that drops off straight down to the river. Jake and I were just kind of checking out the river, and we looked over here and noticed this. This is a dead elk, and it is ripe. It is ripe, ripe, ripe. But you see, that elk was torn apart, and it looks like it's a wolf kill. Very possible that was a wolf that destroyed that thing. Woo! It is rough. But see that long hair, and it's dark brown? It's a young elk. They usually have ivories. Whoa. So they usually have their ivories. Oh, there's an ivory right there. So that tooth right there is actually an ivory. In an elk, the two front teeth, that's where the ivories are. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that, but I'm gonna see if I can get that out. Okay. Oh, I guess the stink is bothering Jacob. Look at that. She's moving. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I got the stinky ivory out of there. Okay, now I'm gonna touch that with my hands, and it is gonna stink like a dirty beast. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get some Nature's wrapping paper. I'm gonna set that right there. I'm gonna pick it up with Nature's wrapping paper. I don't wanna touch it. Don't wanna touch that thing because it is stanky. But, and it's a, you can tell it was a young elk because it's tiny. All right, get a new wrapping paper here. All right, there we go. New wrapping paper. There's the elk tooth. And I'm gonna pick that baby up. There we go. Got it. Okay. Now, I'm gonna name him Karki. It's short for carcass. Okay then, let's go. On to the next adventure. Hey, look, a femur. That's weird. Is there mosquitoes? I think there might be
a moth or a butterfly or something.
Oh, you think?
It keeps landing on my neck.
Oh, really? There's a moth on your neck? Dude, is it a...
I don't know. It keeps attacking me.
Dude, wipe it off.
I did. I've been slapping. No. It's way bigger than a bee.
What in the world could it be?
I don't know. Oh!
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, now time to take off. Yeah. Is that an elk?
I don't know.
I think it's an elk. That's a wall hanger.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Put it on the front of our four-wheeler. Now we're bad to the bone.
He's looking at me. This place is awesome.